Guys, it's me, Olivia. So Sydney's here. I told her I was going to prank started. Guys, let's go. Sydney, but I'm too small to reach. Can you reach? There's like some Xbox games up there, and I just thought I'd put them in my room, and I just can't reach. And I just can't reach. They're in my mum's cupboard. Mum, it's like 347 and that. Because I'm in the
Is it those ones that we got in the street?
Yeah. I'll give you a fee. I can't because I'll be on top of the bed and then it doesn't work. No, you won't. Yes, because I have to stand on the bed. Right now. Please.
This is an urgent
Why? Because I have to put it all in my room.
Scotland's animal welfare chat.
Mum.
Oh, that poor dog.
Just skin.
Mum, you told me to put them in my room. FIFA 7. FIFA 7.
Just on Xbox.
It's just like Xbox games I found in the street.
How can you not reach?
I can't reach. It's not my fault I'm on a jet. It's like that far away from me. I'm like, my nana's doctor's on the jet.
Please call 800
It's no please. It's just a
our
mum.
website
Come on in.
and give just £1.
X, I'll show you which one.
Is this a prank?
This one.
It's a prank.
It's got some balloons on it though. Yeah.
Why?
Because I tried to pull myself up and then the balloon snapped. So you stand on that bit. I just can't reach. But you have to like pull it fast. Because
Stand on here and then
yeah, because wait, I need to explain to you what you need to do, right? It's like farish back. Don't do it until I tell you. You have to pull the door open fast so the other door doesn't open. Because if you open it slow, like it like, and there's like ornaments and another one. Please be careful. Please. Thank you for getting these. I told my mum for ages that I was gonna get them for her.
That's not a good idea.
Wait,
What in here that says no?
what? Just do it, please.
Something's gonna pop it on me.
How's something gonna pop it on you? I can't reach. Can you just? Please.
By the way, I need to go and buy.
Okay, can you just